your calendar, September 12th to the 14th. We're going back to Niagara Falls for Better Outcomes 2018. Join us on Wednesday the 12th for a day of education and learning as we formally launch AlayaCare University, and then get ready for the traditional 2 days of incredible speakers, networking opportunities, and case studies. Not to mention a chance to get hands-on with upcoming features, take a peek at our roadmap, participate in collaborative sessions, and meet with AlayaCare team members. As always, we'll take time to celebrate and have fun. 2018 is already the most remarkable year for our clients and our team, and we will toast the year we've had, prepare for what's coming in 2019, maybe sing some karaoke, and of course go for our traditional run-walk along the beautiful backdrop of Niagara Falls for our 5K at 5. So sign up early, sign up often, and tell a friend. And even if they aren't part of the AlayaCare family, if they've got a great karaoke voice or can beat Chase at the 5K, we'd love to have them.